Good morning, Germany! Yeehaw! Yeah, it's end of January and we are sliding. We have snow in Germany. A lot of snow on the road. Not much traction. Woo! So first we need to warm up the engine. Yeah, circles are nice. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, at first we will look at a small area where many markets are and companies. The most important is safety first, of course. So first take a look, and if it's free you can drift. Yeah, it's still snowing, as you can see. Oh, fast BMW behind me. Can you see it? In the mirror. It's like an industrial area, yeah. Maybe you can call it industrial area. Okay, here on the road we don't have any snow, but I guess here, not so much. It's so not so good if we don't have a closed snow surface. If you have normal asphalt and snow. Whoa, sliding. Yeah, the guy behind me also had understeer in this corner. Yeah, at first you have understeer. Yeah, it's not a closed surface, so it's not so easy, because you have grip, you have no grip, you have grip, you have no grip. So it's not so easy for drifting. Yeah, the guy behind me is drifting. It's easy to see. So no, it's not the perfect conditions for drifting. So maybe we'll look for another area. So yeah, let's go to the sports park. Maybe the parking lot is, yeah, seems like the parking lot is still with snow. Yeah, one car is parking there, one camper. Yeah, I'm the first one here. Yahoo! I have to take care because there's a little pavement for the parking lot. I don't want to go sideways against this little pavement. But here it's yahoo! Okay. No grip, no grip. Here's also the little pavement for the parking lots. Boom. Don't want to damage my suspension. Whee! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yee-hoo. This is the parking lot from the sports park. Yee-hoo! Seems like there already have been some other car drifting or parking maybe. Yeah, it's not too much snow. Could have been a little bit more. because now there's already the asphalt looking up. That makes fun. Yeah. U-turn. Woo-hoo. Second gear. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeehaw. That makes fun. Maybe the people think, what an idiot. So, just again, second gear, you see. It's already a lot of asphalt. Yeah. So, U-turn. Take care of the other people. Here was no snowplower in the last few hours. Woo. Here's a little corner, but there are people crossing. So yeah, maybe I do a U-turn and the other way around. So first check if there's anyone. No, there's no one. Yeah! Woo hoo hoo hoo! Woo-hoo! I guess that was the BMW that followed me in the industrial area. Maybe he's also looking for some nice spots. Fahren Sie zu? Yeah. He's also searching for grip with his BMW. Yeah, maybe we'll have a look at the train station. But I guess the snowblowers have been there already. Seems like they haven't been. Yeah, it's a longer time ago that they have been here. Yo! U-turn. Very carefully between the parking cars. Seems like there already has been another car. Yep. See if we can get up here and get the grip. Yep, 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 yeah. Sie dürfen gehen. Ja. Yeah, she had the right of way, because when I turn inside the street, people are crossing that they have the right of way. Not me. Yes. So that's it.